All right, so this question looks a little bit different. So when I only have 4 pieces, how can I get a percentage? Well, we're gonna work that out. So I do have 4 pieces here, and what I wanna get to is 100 equal pieces. What I'm gonna have to do is figure out how I can get from the 3 shaded pieces I have. I know I wanna get this to be 100. Whatever I do to my number down here, my denominator, I'm gonna have to do to the denominator here in order to get my numerators to be equivalent. So all I have to do is figure out what I do with my 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 total pieces. What can I do with 4 to make 100? Well, I happen to know this one in my head. You could guess and check, but I happen to know that 4 somethings make 100. Actually, if I think of money, I know that 4 quarters make 100. And a quarter is worth how many cents? 25. So basically what I'm doing here, I'm gonna multiply by 25 over 25. Now the reason I'm doing the same number on top and bottom is because any number over itself, well, 3 out of 3 or 4 out of 4 or 5/5 is all equal to 1 whole. So all I'm doing here is multiplying by 1, and we know that anything times 1 equals itself. So even though this is going to look very different, I'm still going to get an equivalent fraction or the same thing. Even though I've got a different number of pieces, I'm still taking the same percentage or amount of it. So in this case, 25 times 4 gives me 100. And if I do 25 times 3, well, I happen to know that one in my head too, because 3 quarters equals 75 cents. So ladies and gents, I have 75 out of 100 pieces if I were to break this up into tiny pieces. The other way you can do this is to actually draw in lines and make this into 100 pieces. Now that will take you forever. You'll have to draw 25 little columns there in each one and then make sure you've got 100 rows going the other direction. This is going to be much faster. Again, percent means out of 100, and I have 75 out of 100 small pieces of this shaded in. So my total percentage shaded in is going to be 75%. All right, there's your guided practice for today. You're gonna have to try a couple of these on your own to see how you do. So try the next couple questions out, see how you do. There's also gonna be a little bit of mixed review at the end where you're gonna do some things that we've been doing over the last couple days to be graded on. So good luck with those. If you have any questions, please make sure to contact us during office hours, and we'll see you soon.